In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to fix Tesla coil. Let's get started. The first option is to check the power supply. Ensure the Tesla coil is properly connected to the power source and receiving sufficient voltage. Inspect the power cord and plug for any damage or fraying. The second option is to inspect the spark gap. If the Tesla coil is not producing sparks, check the spark gap for dirt, corrosion, or improper alignment. Clean and adjust the gap, making sure it is correctly spaced according to your coil's design specifications. The third option is checking the secondary coil. Look for any visible damage to the secondary coil windings. If there is a short or break in a coil, it may need to be rewound or replaced. Ensure the secondary coil is properly aligned with the primary coil to allow for efficient energy transfer. The fourth option is to examine the primary coil. The primary coil should be tightly wound and free of any breaks. Check for any loose connections or damaged components. If there's an issue with the primary coil, you might need to rewire it. The fifth option is to inspect the capacitor. A faulty capacitor can prevent the Tesla coil from operating correctly. Look for signs of damage, such as bulging or leaking. If the capacitor is damaged, replace it with one of the same value. The sixth option is to check the transformer. If you're using a transformer to power the Tesla coil, ensure that it is working correctly and provide the appropriate voltage. Check for any sign of overheating or damage to the transformer. If it's faulty, you may need to replace it. And last option is to test the control circuit. The control circuit often involves a spark gap or solid components like MOSFET or IGBT. Could be malfunctioning. Inspect the component for signs of wear or failure and replace any damaged parts. Alright guys, that'll be it for this video. I hope it helped you guys out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.